Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your WeChat. Next thing you want to do is select a chat section from your chat right here. I'm going to select this particular chat right here. Now, for you to use inbuilt translator for translating to whatever language of your choice on WeChat, what you want to do is to click on here now, then click and hold down. This is going to pump up right here. Next is going to pump up right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on translate. Then you have translate right here. So here you can simply type whatever you want to type in English and it will automatically translate into Chinese. So let's find out. So once you type right here, it will automatically translate into Chinese character. You can simply click on use right here. Once you click on use, then you can send the Chinese options right here. However, you can also change to other language. So click on simplify right here. These are more language that you can use right here. You can also translate to Korean, Japanese, and English, Chinese tradition, and what have you. So you can switch back to English again, and while you type in Chinese or Japanese right here, or better still, click on here again, switch back to Chinese tradition, and then go ahead and type whatever you want to type in English language. Hope you are doing well. Then click on use right here, and then hit on send. It's that simple. For more tutorial about WeChat app like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.